Welcome back to Random Fixes and Restorations, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean those windows and those frames and literally almost basically getting this one here restored. More like a deep cleaning, let's say it like that. Also how to get those glue spots from tape, and also just telling you it's dark outside, pretty nasty weather, but at least I don't have to, and also I'm not going to show you how I did it on the outside because I've done that yesterday when it was still good weather. But yeah, also besides that, the weather literally changed in like the last couple of weeks, like from literal summer to almost winter weather, like rain and even more rain and just nasty weather. Well, show you a little sneak peek like how the outside looks. Cleaned the outside yesterday, but you can see it in the reflection already. It's basically perfect. Also, it's double-sided glass, so yeah. Also done the frame. You can see, crispy clean. So, anyways, I'm just going to show you like one spot or a couple spots how I'm cleaning this one, and then basically a before and after I've done like the whole thing. Let's go around here. Let's stand. Show you everything. Like, yeah, it was never cleaned. This house is about 20 years old, and I literally have no idea if someone ever cleaned anything in here, like about the frame. And yeah, it's nasty. Let's say it like that. Yeah, also what's annoying is the design here with the heater. Also you've seen it all in another video, which I'm going to probably include somewhere around here too, how to clean the heater. Anyways, I guess I'm going to show you this part right here, like this part, how to remove that glue, and yeah, just buff it a little bit, and the rest just as an example, and then I'm going to clean all the rest off cam, and I'm just going to tell you everything. So let's make it quick and show you that. This one is pretty easy. Took me also a while to do some research and find it out, but it's pretty easy with those, like not only on like something like that, but all surfaces. So just take some classic WD-40, put it a little bit onto a rag, or what I also like to do is just spread a little bit across here, just to soak it a little bit. Also put a little bit on the rack. Wait a moment, and then just looks like it's like this too over here. Yeah. And over here, like a nasty spot here on the side. That stuff is at least 10 years old. Spraying a little bit more onto those. Also no worries about the streaks. I'm going to show you the next step, how to get that risk out too. Looks pretty good so far. Okay, and now to prevent it from straining and stuff, and get the WD-40 away and the rest of the residue and stuff. Some contact spray. You also could in theory use brake cleaner, but brake cleaner would be a little bit harsh, so there's some contact spray just to dissolve the oil. Put it onto a microfiber cloth. Like that, and go over it. Okay, so now to the next part, like the frame, how to clean the frame. Just some classic Mr. Clean. Well, not classic in this case, but citrus. Yeah. Both work. As I'm onto microfiber rag. And just go over it. Couple rubs and dirt already starts dissolving and melting away. Up there is the best example. It's better to wear gloves. I forgot again, so I must take the glove. And I guess the better idea would have been to just open the window. Let's see. See? Difference like night and day. Crazy, huh? And not only that, it's only satisfying for sure. And oh yeah, we've got some rain out there. Nice, huh? Closer. What's the difference here? Sweet, huh? This is basically the last window, or like I don't know how to call it, window side or something, like in the whole house. And yeah, cleaned already the all others, including the door and doors and stuff. I actually posted a couple of pictures even of the bathroom around last year. Oh man, stupid mosquitoes are already coming in. Dang it. Okay, so the next steps, I'm just making quick from now here because I gotta clean the whole thing. So, after you've finished all the wiping and stuff, let's use this part here as a nice example. Take some normal window cleaner, spray it onto a microfiber cloth. And then you literally just wipe off the frame parts which you've done before with the Mr. Clean. And after you've done the whole frame, take another cloth. In that case I'm just using the same, but like the new dry one. You're basically done with this one here. Closer look. It's pretty nice, right? So, yeah, but this is just the quick example right now. It's just but yeah, looks pretty nice, right? So, now to the window. Window's pretty easy too. So, this one, take also a new one. Also, don't use the one you use on the frame. So, just use it. And then just go, just do the whole window. Good. And after you're done that, take one of those special polish cloths. Guess I'm going to put the link down in the description below, and or just the name for them. Those things are pretty good. I didn't have them last year, but I can say those things are awesome. So how to use them? They are often a little bit awkward to hold. I can say also when you really try to polish over it. So most times just put it around like this. Just shard over it. Circles. Taking another one, a dry one, completely dry one. So do the same. And basically just go over once more, just polishing it. So basically after that you're done. Now if I extrude it like see like some examples. If I look through it, actually I can't see any streaks, but yeah, I'm going to finish everything, and I hope in the next couple days there will be the sun outside again, and then I guess I'll film it just all over again, or take some pictures and include it in this video, because well yeah, if I would have cleaned the whole thing like at day or at night, with this weather it makes almost no difference. So oh well, whatever. But hey, the important thing is that the job gets done and it looks good. So anyways, I'm going to clean the whole thing, and afterwards I'm going to show you the how it's looking and everything. Also here, also going to clean like the stupid mosquitoes. Get outside. Stay outside. Like the sun inside here. Yeah. Look how nice it looks. Also, yeah, I gotta wash those things again. I'm going to clean the whole thing. Of this. Oh yeah. I'm going to show you the result just in a second. I'm finally done with this. Here you can see everything. And yeah, it's already dark outside, really dark, and also pretty late. But yeah, I guess I should go around and just show it, taking the camera off my stand and close over there. You can see it's crispy clean. You can see a little bit better here. See screen. It's like there isn't even a glass in there. Yeah, I'm going to add something more. Also, I'm going to add a part tomorrow or the next days when weather's good outside. You can see it even better. And before anyone assumes something, no, I'm not a professional. I just literally went by the saying. Well, I'm not going to say it exactly here, but you know it. Just tested around, basically found out what's the best to clean those things. Also, yeah, I was actually testing around quite a while to find out the best method, but yeah, it works pretty good. Okay, good. So let's go around with more light. Well, I gotta replace the battery too. So see, it's all nice and clean now. Also cleaned over here too. This was also pretty nasty. Oh yeah, and here. Yep. It's just like half of it, of the racks which I've used. Oh yeah. It's all pretty nice. You can kinda make it out too, like how clean it is compared to the wall back. So, yep. Took me probably about 2 hours, including the part where I just show first how to do it here. Also, I only could clean like half of this window because yeah, the heater. Don't ask me who came up with this design, because I only can say it is terrible. Why is there a window and you can't even clean it till down there? It's still pretty nasty down there. Jeez. Anyways, just walk around and show you. But yeah. Is it still raining? Oh, it's still a bit raining out there. Oh well. Okay, so 2 days have passed since I've cleaned the windows. Also down there's a little streak again, but you can thank this little rascal for that. Everything else is clean. This is pretty much it for this video. So I'm going to leave you, as always, some more information down in the description. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you all next time on Random Fixes and Restorations, where, well, I have no idea what's going to come up next, but hey, this is why and for what the random stands for in the name. So anyways, see you all next time.